Hello, my viewers. I'm Jonathan Musau, and I'm very excited to take you through some new filters that are now available in Zoom. When you're hosting a meeting in Zoom, you can use some new filters that Zoom is now offering. So I'm already in Zoom, and the first thing that you need to do is actually to download that application in your gadget, be it a laptop, be it a phone. So after you download that application, you try to launch your Zoom that is hosting a new meeting. And then when you host a new meeting, it will look like mine here. You'll be able to see these buttons here. So I want us to try these new filters that are found in Zoom. So to get those new filters, you just go to stop video. We have somewhere where it's saying stop video. There's a small arrow here. You click on that arrow, and then it will give you some options. We go from select a camera to integrated webcam, choose a virtual background, choose video filters. Those are the ones I want. So we want to choose video filters. So I will first go down here to video settings. I will click on video settings, then I go to background and filters. When I go to background and filters, I have said my concern are the video filters, not the virtual backgrounds. Virtual backgrounds is where once I change the background, it will give a different background, whichever background you want. But that's not what I'm concerned with today. So today I'm explaining to you video filters. They are the new filters that are available now in Zoom. So once you click on video filters, they will not be active in your Zoom if you have never used them. So they will not be active. So what you need to do is you download. When you click, there will be an option saying download. So you have to download to get these filters. Mine are already active because I've downloaded. So you click on download, you click on video filters, then you click on download, then you wait for just like a minute or two, or even less than a minute, so that they can download these filters. Once you are done with download the filters, now we are set to use these filters. Let's say, for example, you are in a graduation ceremony, you are the host, and you want to show that you are really in a graduation ceremony. So, and you're hosting a Zoom meeting. So wherever you are, even without the graduation hat, you'll be able to get it. So you just come here and look for the filter for graduation. So we have it here. I just click on it, and pop, it goes on my head. So I've already picked it. So when I close here, you can see I'm wearing that graduation ceremony hat. So even if I try to move, it's able to detect my movement, and it is placed on the head. So whenever I'm talking, it will be able to put that one. So if I try with my friend here, I just get out of the screen, and then one of my friends come in, you'll find that it will go automatically to his head. Good, you can see it goes to his head straight away. So that is how it works. So whoever is speaking, whoever is addressing, when you get there, it comes to your head. Let's try some other filters. Let's try, for example, you are speaking about, emphasizing about COVID-19. So you want to stress a point on masks, and you are there in your room. So you just go to the video settings, you click on the video settings, then you click on background and filters, you go to the video filters, and you look for the mask. Here it is. So it will put a mask to cover my mouth and nose. So whenever I move like this, when I'm talking, I'm already wearing my mask. And remember, it's just a virtual mask. I'm not wearing any mask. It's just a virtual mask that I'm using in Zoom. Wow, this is good. So let's say, for example, it depends on the meeting that you're holding. You want to wear some fancy glasses. So just go to video, go to background and filters. I choose the video filters for glasses. I look for them. Like I want to wear those ones. Then I close here. So when I'm addressing my meeting, you can see I'm in those glasses. Whenever I try to move around here, the glasses are still with me because it's able to detect my face and my eyes. So we can also have the swimming glasses. If you're not satisfied with that, for example, you are talking about swimming and maybe you wanted to use the swimming glasses. So just look at them here. You'll be able to get them somewhere. Able to get them somewhere here. So you can put on many filters that they have given us here. So you're able to put glasses like these ones. Let's try to put those ones. You have those ones. Yeah, you can see when I close here, I'm having those glasses. So there are many things. Let's say, for example, you're having a Zoom meeting with kids, and then maybe you are playing a role as Mr. Rabbit. So you are stressing about a story. Maybe you are Mr. Rabbit. You just go here, you click video settings, you choose backgrounds and filters, and then you look for Mr. Rabbit. Here is Mr. Rabbit. And then you click like that. So even if I try to stand, to move around, or at times and ways, if I get off the screen and somebody else comes in, you will see that they come on his head automatically. So that is how they work. So you can also have, for example, you want to show your background, you are in a meeting, you want to show that you are in a sorry, I had switched off my screen. You go for filters for meeting. So video settings, I choose the background and filters that can show that you are in a meeting. So like this one here. Now when I click close here, like it's like I'm addressing some people who are seated somewhere there. I'm kind of in a screen. I'm addressing several very large crowd of people, as you can see there. But this is just virtual. I'm just seated alone here. So when I'm addressing, this will come like I'm addressing on a screen, and I'm addressing all these people you can see on the screen. So you can also show yourself you are in a sitting room. You change your filters to show that you are in a sitting room. You just need to look for sitting room, yeah, like that one. So when I'm addressing, it looks like I'm in a sitting room. You can see the sofa there, and you can have as many of these filters as you have downloaded them. So you can also put emojis around you. So when you are teaching, it depends on which participants you are dealing with. So if you want to put the emojis around me, you can see there, and I'm screen there. I can be able to show that my background, I mean, surrounding me are those emojis, smiling, happy, laughing, and so on. So I can also wear a funny hat. Let me put on a funny hat here. So let's say, for example, I want to put on a hat here. A hat here, yes, like this one. I like this one here. Let me try to put this one here. Good. So when I close here, when I'm addressing my people, this hat will be on my head as I address the people. Do I look smart? Yes. Give me a comment down there if you've liked my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe, because this time I'm going to bring very wonderful things. Bye. See you.